Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys can hear me okay. So let's do a recap of last week of May 13th through the 19th, the week of my hubby's birthday. Had a lot going on. Let's get started. So I did change a couple of things. Well, not really. Kind of, sort of. I did put the shoes, instead of putting them on my daily, I did put them on the weekly. This is going to be the kit Girls Just Want to Have Fun from TheCraftyStudent. In fact, unless I mention it's not TheCraftyStudent, you can assume that it's TheCraftyStudent. So like this little car right here, and the cars that you see every time, those are going to be Planner Kate. Everything else is going to be TheCraftyStudent. So I did change a little bit of the way that this looks, adding the shoes there. I changed it again the following week, but you'll have to wait and see that. Let's see. So Monday marks 16 days until summer break. Let's see. I had a bunch of stuff here. We ended up having the water shut off. It was only supposed to be from 11 until 5 and ended up being until 9 o'clock at night, which I'm pretty sure a lot of people were pretty pissed about because they didn't even email us until 9 o'clock at night, which is ridiculous. Not everybody's up, but not everybody's home. But anyways, had a couple packages. Had a movie day. We went and saw John Wick 3 on Saturday. Had a meeting on this day. His grandparents came back, which actually, Planner Kate is. Oh, I can't do this while I'm filming. I'm gonna mess up my floor. Save a little bit. There we go. They actually came on Thursday. That's removable. The Carpe student is not, but her stickers are totally worth it. And if you actually get up, pick them up very, very carefully and slowly, and pick them up with the page as well, they will come off pretty easily. So, anyways, that's my new weekly view there. I always put the weekend for Saturday and Sunday. Grandparents came over on Saturday to babysit. This is my sidebar. I didn't put anything on the back this time, which I really need to figure out what I'm going to do with that. But anyways, this is my sidebar. So I have this week just like a list of things that are going on. I have like an overview right here. Have my daily habits right there. These 4 things that I have to do every single day, plus 15 minutes, plus make my bed. Those are things I have to do every single day, which is why there's my to do. Important, which is the Cubs game. They lost a few times, but they won a couple times too. Some bills that were due this week. Goals. Didn't walk as much as I wanted to, but my daughter did get her medication and her vitamins. Here was the TV schedule, cleaning, got all that done. And that's why I decided for the quote. And then on to the dailies. Here's a Monday. I did keep the sleep up here, which I think I'm going to change it again. I ran out of them, so next week's plan with me, or rather this week's plan with me, it's going to be a little late because I don't get my stickers in until today, and I can't haul or film a haul until tomorrow, so things are going to get moved just a little bit this week. Anyway, so Monday, everything here is the Crafty Student except for the backpack, which is Planner Kate, and I think this is the only day that I remembered to put the backpack on there. Got a lot to do, a lot done. We were going to do the Target run and Dollar Tree on Monday, and I was like, no, I'm not doing it because I only got 4.5 hours of sleep, and I had to get up early, had a lot to do. I did get a package in the mail, though, from the Carpe student, which I did film, and I will link that down below or above, probably above. You'll just get in a card. I did change the today there. I have now the full box, ombre box, and then today with all the little things that need to go for the day. And then I have like, I try to keep in like the order that I get things, but some of the things I'm just like, it moves around. Did wash my hair though. And I think I washed the kiddo's hair too. On to Tuesday, I decided, screw it, I'm ordering another thing of Happy Meal. So I did. I got some repurchases and I was missing a couple sheets. I was like, oh no, I forgot to buy these crap. So there's that. But it's my husband's hair because it was starting to get too long for him. There's that. Binge watching some of Lucifer. I was going to give her a bath, but, you know, water was off. Completely off. Wednesday, had a few things going on. I did upload the haul, like I said. Cups lost. Cups won on this day. This was hubby's birthday. So we actually went out to have breakfast at Village Inn after we dropped off my daughter. And then he wanted Costco pizza for dinner. So he went and got that. Thursday, I think I was missing a lot of stuff, but I think it was also just a day where I was just kind of out of it because she threw the biggest tantrum, which I actually want to note that there. I have another half box that I can put over here. I need to mark that, but she threw the biggest fit. And I will have to talk about that in another video because there's a lot going on with her that I haven't shared yet. Anyways, payday, I thought his grandparents would come over, but they didn't, which was okay because I ended up talking to both my mom and my dad back in the apartment. Slept in just past 6. And then we also had a meeting. So there's that. Oh, and picked up the groceries. Like I said, Saturday, went and saw John Wick. We also, Cups lost, went to Costco to pick up a few things. Went to Target, got some makeup, and then my husband got a couple things for him. I did get a pretty good amount of sleep though. I got 8 hours of sleep on Saturday. Then I got a lot less on the next day. We ended up with leftovers. His grandmother made spaghetti on this day, so he ended up having leftovers. Did get a bunch done last night though. Talked to my dad, cleaned the bathtub, cleaned actually the whole bathroom. This is actually more of a lie. I did not deep clean the kitchen. I kind of just like went over everything really quick because I was in a hurry. I didn't get to wash my hair, but I did wash Melody's hair and gave her a bath. Did laundry catch up, plus started my brother-in-law's laundry, and yeah, that would be it. That is the week, and we're back at the beginning. So yeah, that's the week. I hope you enjoyed this recap. There'll be another one next week for this week, and again, the plan with you for this week will be a couple days behind. I was trying to really hard to get Plan With Me's on Mondays, but this week has just not gone that way. So there will be a Plan With Me hopefully Wednesday, the very latest. So yeah, I will see you guys soon. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon.